Yo, 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 it's Hugo back with another video. And this week was a great week in the market, so we're going to definitely get right into it. This video is going to be really short because we didn't take that many trades as we usually would this week, which we only take about 1 to 4 trades every week anyway. But let's get started with Nas because it was definitely a great trade, and we were definitely able to capitalize perfectly off of our setup. So we did wake up in the morning and I saw that this move was happening for, just this session. And I waited because I didn't know if it was going to get a pullback or we are going to take out the highs here. But I ended up waiting. I got in here around 11 something, just allowing it to kind of collect this liquidity and possible, retracement here. We did hold this position for at least almost 24 hours, but it was definitely worth it because I usually don't even hold over sessions like this, but it was definitely a great trade to be in because it was just doing a lot of consolidation, but we did end up getting down to where, we wanted to, which was this area here. And we were definitely able to close out with some good amount of profits. Don't mind this wick here. This wick was just so minuscule. It didn't even take us out of the position. So we were able to still float, stay in this position, come down, and we caught at least 200 pips. I'm so proud of individuals in my chat that caught this. They've really came a long way. So if you guys are in my Discord, you'll see me shout them out because at the same time, it's just been a long time coming for a lot of them, and I've helped a lot of them through their journeys and just to kind of see how they're, just taking it upon themselves and executing the trades that I'm putting out there is just remarkable. So definitely, if you haven't joined the Discord already, definitely join the Discord. We definitely had a great 200 pip week trading NAS, and let's move over into the next trade that we took for the week. So we did have EU that was definitely looking really nice, really plush. We did get we did get a impulse here from the 50%, which I still waited just for it to come, just for confirmation, just for it to close above here. Once I saw that it did close above, I didn't really see any possible return for it to possibly retrace. So I just ended up getting in here. We got in on a buy stop here, so it ended up activating us in, and we just stayed in the market over the weekend because I definitely had, a lot of confidence in this trade. So at one point, we we're up at least 40 pips. I didn't close at that time. Market was closing. So we didn't close at all. We're just looking for it to definitely continue up. So I'll keep you guys updated on this 100 pip move on EU. At least looking for it to come above these highs here, which I'll consider closing at that point. But definitely, again, this was a great week in the market. Shout out to everyone in the group chat that was able to catch these moves with me. If you guys definitely have any questions, concerns, definitely always feel free to hit me up. We're going to be waiting for some of these trades to kind of load up as Sunday. Today is Sunday, and it's going to open up the market around 6 p.m. So we're going to see exactly what's going to take place then, and see what the market gives us for the remainder of last week, so we could come into a new week fresh. So definitely, man, it's been a great week. It's been, just an awesome couple of weeks, trading in the markets, and just look forward to continuing to have growth, prosperity throughout the remainder of this year. And like I said, man, we've been going 26 weeks strong. Only 1 week we had a losing streak where we didn't win any trades at all. So definitely, man, make sure y'all tap in. Make sure y'all always paying attention to the Discord when I'm placing trades in there. And you guys will definitely seek the benefit of that. And this is an environment where you're learning while you're earning. So definitely tap in with me. DM me if you need to. I'm Hugo, and I'm out.